Meets the PLAUD NotePin, a wearable AI voice recorder designed to simplify how you capture conversations, lectures, and meetings. This isn't just a regular recorder. It's a smart gadget that clips to your clothing and works hands-free, so your focus stays on the moment, not writing notes. During your session, the NotePin records in high quality and uses built-in AI to transcribe and summarize every point. Over 120 languages supported, speaker identification included. Once the meeting ends, your smartphone displays the full transcript and a concise summary with speaker labels, so you quickly know who said what and what needs your action. The NotePin weighs just around 16.7 grams or 0.59 ounces and features 64 gigabytes of memory, enough for long meetings, lectures, interviews. One full charge gives up to 20 hours of recording, with standby up to 40 days. Whether you're a student capturing lectures, a journalist conducting interviews, or a professional in back-to-back meetings, say goodbye to scrambling for notes and hello to effortless transcripts and summaries. With the device, you get a starter plan offering 300 minutes of monthly transcription at no extra cost. For heavy users, there's upgrade options with advanced features and unlimited minutes. Capture your ideas, conversations, and decisions smarter than ever. The PLAUD NotePin, your next-gen note-taking companion. Check the link below to learn more and decide if NotePin is the right fit for you.